In JavaScript, scope is governed by lexical scoping. This means a variable's scope is determined entirely where it's physically written in the source code. Any variables declared outside of any function or block lives in the global scope and are accessible from absolutely anywhere from your code. In a browser environment, the global scope is the window object, and in a Node.js environment, which I'm using here right now, it is the global object. The variable app name here has a global scoping and can be accessed anywhere in this file. Now, this can be dangerous. This variable lives in the memory as long as the app is running and cannot be garbage collected as long as the app is still running. And also, it can cause namespace collision sometimes. Now comes functional scoping. Any variables declared within a function belong to the function only and cannot be accessed outside the function. So if we have three variables here, name, gender, and age, if we try to access any one of them outside the function, we will get an error. Name is not defined. The same will be with gender and age as well. But if we print this inside, it's obvious that it's going to print gender is male. And then there is block scoping, where we can see the difference between var, let, and const. Any variables declared with the var keyword has functional scope and can be accessed from the nearest function, no matter how deeply nested declaration it has. It completely ignores blocks, but let and const does respect block boundaries and can only be accessed inside their block. Let's wrap these variables in a block. Now this block can be anything. It can be a function, it can be a for loop, it can be an if statement, it can be anything basically. And let's log these variables. Now we only get an output of Milo. Only name is printed because var can be accessed from the nearest function, which is print name, but variables declared with let and const can only be accessed inside this block. And then we run this, we get male, 31, and Milo. So we can say let and const respect block scoping. They have block scoping.